My name is Robin, co-founder of Wingbits, and we're building the secure foundation for Aviation AI, which hopefully we'll talk more about soon.
Thank you so much for joining us here at Times of AI. Could you tell us a little bit more about your company and how you're utilizing AI at the moment?
Yeah, so Wingbits, we're actually utilizing AI both like internally, but also we're providing the data for Aviation AI. And what I mean by that is, aviation is a little bit behind, but now they're starting to see really high adoption of AI. And the current data out there, if you ever used an app like Flight Radar, Flight Aware, all that data is actually collected by volunteers. So the airport doesn't know where you are. They rely on this enthusiast data, but this data is just not up to speed or up to par for AI usage. So we built our own network, about 7,000 fully locked secure devices that provide AI-ready data, and we're not building AI solutions on top of it, allowing customers to get all the insights without the need of touching the data at all, no engineering teams, no data pipelines, and no storage. So cheaper, faster, and less complex.
Wow, fantastic. And how important is it for you to be here today and in the MENA region in general for your business?
I mean, I think it's really important. I moved here 5 months ago now. So we're part of this program called Hub 71. Because what we realized is that all other companies or competitors, they're really focusing all West. Well, there's a lot of innovation happening all across GCC, and UAE, I think, there's a lot of innovation in terms of advanced air mobility and aviation. So I think you cannot be in a better spot. And it's a different market, different world, and I'm learning how to navigate it, but I'm super excited. And this event has been fantastic.
Amazing.
Probably the best event I've been at ever, honestly. It's been amazing.
Thank you very much. You could say that the MENA region is leading in terms of airspace. We've got flying taxis coming. Yeah. We've got a lot of things within the airspace. How important is it that we advance within AI, and how can we regulate that? I
do think it's very important because right now the insights into the space is not really democratized, meaning that if you're a large organization, you buy these like terabytes of raw data and you have to process it, and you become a bottleneck for the rest of the organization. So essentially opening it up to anyone across the organization to get the insights is going to be super important. But what's also going to be important now with drones and advanced air mobility and aviation all encroaching in the same airspace is that the data needs to be better, it needs to be accurate, and it needs to be way faster, near real time, to have if a drone is flying and a helicopter is coming, you need to know right away if they're kind of like a collide or not. And the latency now with existing networks is so high that it's just not going to be suitable, and it's too unstructured for AI to even read it. So it'll be super important.
And there are a lot of businesses here which maybe can help project your business in terms of, how AI is utilized. Mm-hmm. Is there any specific company that you're really looking forward to making connections with over here?
In the UAE region, exactly. I mean, Presight definitely would be interesting, but also, we work both in aviation, but also across into maritime in the same structure. So I would love to talk to Emirates. We're talking a little bit with Etihad, trying to explore. I know hopefully talk to Riyadh Air at some point across, in Saudi and King Salman Airport, because they're the newest airline and they're super modern. So they're actually really suitable for what we do. So there's an infinite number of people I want to talk to, honestly.
Fantastic. Yeah. Well, if you're watching, definitely message this guy.
Thank you so
and
much.
We've absolutely loved having you here. Yeah. And we hope that you enjoy the rest of the event and maybe see you again next year as well.
Yeah, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you.